The Hermit, ninth number card of the Major Arcana. Here you can see the person standing alone on the mountain range. Mountains are white color. It seems to be it's completely snowy. It is capped with snow. He is standing peak of the mountain. Here you can see mountain size are very small. No vegetation is there, no population is there. So he is standing alone over there. What he is having only a lantern. Here you can see lantern is there. Inside the lantern, just see carefully, it's a 6-pointed star over there. 6-pointed stars are representing wisdom, our experience. He is having a staff. You can see in his left hand he is holding. This staff here, it is representing his authority, power and balance. Why is he holding a staff? To have the balance. Because see, he has all the way traveled through this mountain range. So his journey was quite adventurous. Lot of ups and downs he got. So this staff has helped me to balance during this journey. Lantern's light, you see, it is sufficient only for few steps or a very short path. Person is there, he reached there, he is having wisdom, he is having experience. His white beard and white hair, it shows his experience, his maturity, but he is not clear. Still he is trying to figure out where he has to go, what he has to do. So when a reading this card comes, it shows you need to take a break, pay attention to your energies, go inward and find your answers. So after the hardship of strength which we learnt earlier, our past card, now we are tired and confused also, but in this tough journey, we learnt a lot. Our level of wisdom has improved and now it's time for introspection. We need a short break. Why? We need to find out what is right, what is wrong. We need self-realization at this moment. Hermit, sometimes it shows our personal and spiritual journey also, wherein we are living our routine, our mundane life and moving alone in search of authenticity. We are looking for authentic life, authentic self. So in search of self-realization, this person has selected this path. He chose this path for self-discovery. As a result, what he understood, what he learned, he acquired the wisdom, he acquired the awareness, he acquired the maturity. So this card suggests a new direction, because here you see he is looking for the direction. He doesn't know where to go. It talks about re-evaluation of your plans also, and if changes are required, you have to do the necessary changes also. So the Hermit represents introspection, isolation, withdrawn from society, self-reflection, meditation, loneliness, sadness. If you'll just look at him, his face, he looks very sad. So as I advise, Hermit shows take out time for yourself and pay attention to your personal growth. Get clarity, because you are still confused. You are thinking you have the wisdom, but somewhere it is not sufficient to go forward. So you have to stop. You have to find the correct way.